Hi children, good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Children, have you had your breakfast? Have you had your breakfast today? Yes. What do you eat today? What items do you eat today? Yes. Which items do you like most? Children, which items do you like most? Yes, do you like most chapati? Yes, very good. Have you done your homework? Children, have you done your homework? Yes. What we discussed in the last class? What we discussed in the last class? Do you remember that? Children, in the last class we have discussed about Attingal revolt and revolt of Veluthambi Dalava. First one, what was Attingal revolt? Who knows this answer? Please answer it. Do you know? Yes, say loudly. Yes. The Attingal revolt was the first organized popular rising against British authorities in Kerala. All students say loudly. Yes, the Attingal revolt was the first organized popular rising against the British authorities in Kerala. Second one, what was Kundra Proclamation? Do you know answer? Students, do you know answer? Yes, please answer it. What was Kundra Proclamation? Yes, very good. Sit down. Kundra Proclamation was a famous announcement of war against the British. Once again, say loudly told. Kundra Proclamation was a famous announcement of war against the British. Third one, what are the services of the Veluthambi Dalava? Or write the services of the Veluthambi Dalava. Children, do you know answer? What is the answer? Yes, please answer it. Yes, very good. The people of Travancore did not like the indifferences of the British in the internal administration and led to a struggle between the natives and the British. Veluthambi Talava took leadership that revolt. He set up his headquarters at Kundra. The Kundra Proclamation was a famous announcement of a war against the British. Veluthambi Dalava fought bravely against the British. All students study well these answers. Children, today we are going to discuss about Palshi Raja. Do you know who he is? Do you like him? Yes, this is the picture of Palshi Raja. Now I say about Palshi Raja in 1755 to 1805. Keralavarma Palshi Raja was one of the great sons of Kerala. Keralavarma Palshi Raja was one of the great sons of Kerala. He was the ruler of Kottayam. He was the ruler of Kottayam. Kottayam is a small kingdom of Malabar. He was brave and patriotic. He was brave and patriotic means Deshasnehi or Rajasnehi. He emerged in course of time as the most powerful ruler in Kottayam, a small kingdom of Malabar. He was a brave and patriotic. Keralavarma Palshi Raja was popularly known as the Lion of Kerala. He was known as the Lion of Kerala. Who is known as the Lion of Kerala or who is called the Lion of Kerala? Yes, Keralavarma Palshi Raja is known as the Lion of Kerala. He was known as the Lion of Kerala for his resistance against the British. The Raja was against the revenue policy of the British. The Bashir Raja was against the revenue policy means revenue nayangal of the British. Bashir Raja stopped all collection of revenue to the British from Kottayam. He challenged the British authority. Means the Raja was against the revenue policy of the British. On June 28, 1795, Bashir Raja challenged the British by stopping all tax collection and giving refuge to people who were considered revolutionaries by the British. The British tried to arrest him. Staying in the mountains of Wayanad. That time he used guerrilla warfare against the British. The Bashir Raja used guerrilla warfare against the British. Bashir Raja decided not to let Tip enjoy Wayanad in peace and kept up a guerrilla warfare that constantly harassed Mysore troops in Wayanad and its neighborhood. He took the British into confidence and took their help in fighting the Mysore Sultan. But soon they realized that the British had no plans to restore the Kottayam royal family the power. So he declared war against the British. Bashir Raja was continuously at with the Mysore troops, but later Tipu helped him in battles against the British army. People of all classes participated in the revolt. It was a popular war for liberation of the country from British rule. It was a popular war for liberation means സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള of country from British rule. Bashir Raja died fighting on 13th November 1805 in an encounter with the British soldiers. Students, Bashir Raja died fighting on 13th November 1805 in an encounter means ഏറ്റുമുട്ടൽ with the British soldiers. He became a martyr of our country. Martyr means രക്തസാക്ഷി of our country. Bashir Raja is called the Lion of Kerala. All students can understand about Bashir Raja. Children, do you have any doubt about Bashir Raja? Children, next I say about popular movement in Travancore or the features of freedom struggle in Travancore. Do you know these persons? Who are they? C. Keshavan, Pattamya Thanapillai and T.M. Varghese. Leaders like Pattamya Thanapilla, T.M. Varghese and C. Keshavan formed a political organization in 1938. When he was formed a political organization, in 1938 called the Travancore State Congress. What's called the Travancore State Congress? Pattamya Thanapillai, T.M. Varghese and C. Keshavan formed a political organization in 1938 called the Travancore State Congress. Travancore was ruled by Maharaja Sri Chitira Tirunal Balarama Varma from 1931 to 1949. Who was ruled Travancore from 1931 to 1949? Yes, Maharaja Sri Chitira Tirunal Balarama Varma. During this period means 1931 to 1949, Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer was the Diwan. Who was the Diwan during this period? All students say loudly. Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer. Once again say loudly. Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer. Diwan means minister. During this period, Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer was the Diwan. He was against the idea of responsible government. Idea of responsible government means ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമുള്ള ഒരു ഗവൺമെൻറ്. He misled the Raja. Misled means തെറ്റിദ്ധരിപ്പിച്ചു. When India got independence, the Diwan declared that Travancore would remain as an independent state. Students, do you know when did India get independence from British rule? Say loudly. When did India get independence? Yes, August 15, 1947. When India got independence, the Diwan declared that Travancore would remain as an independent state, but the people reject the idea of the Diwan. But the people reject means nirasichu. They reject the idea of the Diwan. All students listen to me very carefully. Once again I say, the Diwan declared that Travancore could remain as an independent state after the Indian independence. It was launched in 1938 by the Travancore State Congress, a political organization. The movement was led by Pattam A. Thanapilla, T.M. Varghese and C. Keshavan. Travancore was ruled by Maharaja Sri Chitira Tirunal Balarama Varma. Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer was the Diwan. He was against the idea of responsible government, but people were against it. The people started agitation under the leadership of Pattam A. Thanapilla. As there was threat to his life, the Diwan left Travancore. The Maharaja agreed to join Travancore with the Indian Union. In the next election, the Travancore State Congress got majority. Thus, a popular ministry came into power under the leadership of Pattam A. Thanapilla. Once again I say, they started agitation under the leadership of Pattam Thanapilla. In the aftermath, the Diwan fled from Travancore as there was threat to his life. In the aftermath means Anandaraphalam. Aftermath means Anandaraphalam. The Diwan fled from Travancore. Fled means Odipova. The Diwan fled from Travancore as there was threat to his life. Finally, the Maharaja agreed to join Travancore with Indian Union. That time the Maharaja agreed. What he was agreed? He was agreed to join Travancore with Indian Union. During the next election, the Travancore State Congress got majority and Pattam Thanapilla led a popular ministry. Children, here are one question. What are the features of freedom struggle movement in Travancore? I say answer. Once again I say answer. The Diwan declared that Travancore could remain as an independent state after the Indian independence. The movement was led by Pattam A. Thanapilla, T.M. Varghese and C. Keshavan. Travancore was ruled by Maharaja Sri Chitira Tirunal Balarama Varma. Sir C.P. Ramaswamy Iyer was the Diwan. He was against the idea of responsible government. People were against it. They started agitation under the leadership of Pattam A. Thanapilla. Students, you must study this answer because this answer is very important. Children, now I give some homework. All of you take your EVS notebook and write it. First one, who is called the Lion of Kerala? Second one, who was the ruler of Travancore from 1931 to 1949? Last one, what are the features of freedom struggle movement in Travancore? What are the features of freedom struggle movement in Travancore? Children, now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.